Hey, welcome to Garments Cad Solution. In this video, I will show how to add shortcut icon in Optitex software. When install Optitex software, then nothing have the interface, the working palace. So we need to add shortcut for our work easily. So for add shortcut menu item, we need to go tools, then customize, then general, contour, piece, insert, edit. Basically these 6 items need for our work. If you want, you also can add grading, dart, basic figure and view. So thank you for this video. Stay with Garments Cad Solution and learn about Garments Cad.